What's up, guys? It's Friday. Happy Friday. Happy ready to go home, enjoy the weekend, but we can't because it's Friday. Not enjoy the weekend. We actually are gonna enjoy the weekend. This Sunday we have our BB meet coming up, which will be another video later. But in front of me, we have some long-awaited products. We finally came in. I'm gonna show you guys what it is in our new boxes. So to my left, to your right, our WRX has a new set of wheels. Again, this is probably like the 10th set. For the new set of wheels, and then to put the new sets of wheel, we're gonna introduce you to our new lug nuts series. These are the AFD forged lug nuts. Check this out. So if you order these will come in a beautiful white box like this. And when you open it up, you get this nice little cover here. I get out of here. And then you have 20 piece of the forged neochrome lug nuts. These are our brand new products. Check it out. We're gonna put these on our WRX. I'm very excited. Here's our old black ones we've been using. The same thing, just the color is a little bit different. See, we use these like, I don't know, like 34 times. It took a beating, but still strong. Best stuff ever. Okay, anyways. I'll pick that back up. Anyways, so these are new neochrome. They come with the key. Everything to go. So all I gotta do is pop this in to your aftermarket wheels and you are good, ready to go. So make sure you torque these down about, I think a Subaru is 95 pounds. So here's, wanna put these on, but before we do, I have here our spacers finally came in. So for those who pre-ordered the spacers for waiting like 2 months, they're finally here. So these are our new 2015 to 2022, including our VBs spacers. Check these out. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. These are our 20 millimeter 5x114.3. These are our T7 spacers. Very strong, 10.9 grade bolts, so super strong. They're not gonna snap on you. They're like strong. So yeah, these will be available on the website already here. So if you place your order already, then get these shipped out to you guys. They're perfect for the stock wheels. So we're gonna have another VB come in, for example, and then we're gonna run on their stock 18-inch wheels and show you what it looks before and after. But for today, we're gonna be installing our new lug nuts. So very excited. Oh, by the way, since we have the access port already, we are going to get you some other numbers. Apparently there's this thing called the AM something F, something like that. I'll find out in a bit. Apparently, like when you have over a certain amount number, you're gonna get knocked on the car. I don't know, kind of scary, but we're gonna figure that out. But anyways, back on top of it, let's go install these beautiful. Look how pretty this is, you know. Damn, look at that. It's like you open a McDonald's bag, you know, like when you get your food, like oh my God. All right, let's go. Oh, let me show you what wheels we got. Are you ready? All right, drum roll. Bam! Here it is, guys. Here's our new used CE28s. If you've been following the channel, you know we had a set of blue ones, right? The Mag Blues SL. So these are the same thing, but in the same finish as our TE37s, which is like the graphite gunmetal with the wrist stickers. Again, matches our car. I think it looks pretty sick. A lot of guys have been saying, I missed the CE28s. Well, here they are, they're back. We traded for one of our followers. He had these on his V8 and we just did a direct swap and then we kept our Michelin tires. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm excited to put this on with the new lug nuts. Before I do, I took the center cap off here and on this one, there's a center cap. Let me show you guys. Let me know which one to run, with the center cap or without. I think personally, it looks better without a center cap. It has that more track feel look. That's just how I feel. But the center caps are like $2 more for the option. But let's just mount both and let's see how it looks. So let's get started. So to install these lug nuts, I don't gotta show you guys, but man, look how light this wheel is. Oh my God. We are making our own wheels too, guys, coming out soon, okay? So let's put the wheel in. For those, oh shoot. It's trying to run away from me. For those who have never put in lug nuts before, you get your key, which comes in a package. You drop your lug nut in and make sure your wheel is sitting flush, okay? All I gotta do is always do it by hand first, okay? Always do it by hand. Don't use the gun right away and torque it. What you're gonna do, you're gonna cross thread this and you're gonna never, ever gonna take them out because they're gonna be stuck. Wow, looks pretty good. What do you guys think? The black looks clean and subtle, but the neochrome looks a little bit different, you know? Gives a little contrast, as you can see. Thanks, cameraman. It's always good to have an extra pair of hands. All right, bro, any day now. This is why you have tools, guys. See, the tool makes your life easier. And then when you tighten this, okay, always do it in a star shape. So if you start here, the next one is here. And then the next one is here, like that, like a star shape. What do you guys think? It looks pretty sick. So I'm gonna finish all these up. We'll get this lowered and then we'll do a fitment check and then we'll see how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. I kind of miss it. These were one of my favorite wheels, but again, TEs were my #1 favorite wheels, but you know, change it up.
What's the offset?
Oh, the offset, so this size, 18 by 9.5, 38. So the same size on the last CE28, it's just a different finish. And the tire size, we ran the same tire size as well. So 255, 35. I'm gonna try to run a 275, but I don't know if it'll clear. But that's why we can experiment. Our M3 is finally done. Since the last video, we changed the wheels, we changed the suspension, we changed a lot of things. So very excited to show you guys the results real soon. And I'm very excited for Sunday. I'm very excited for Sunday. Gonna meet a lot of new people and make new friends and enjoy our cruise. After you're tying in the star shape, make sure you torque everything down. 95 pounds for these are good enough. But yeah, here's a no center cap look. Let's go other side, check out the center cap look. Because I think, yeah, I don't know, man. Oh, should we do one side no cap, one side cap? Oh, we should leave the black here, huh? Hell no. Just kidding, we can, I mean, I don't know.
One neochrome, the rest black.
Oh, we should do, oh, exactly, you know what? I don't know. That's more work for me to take the other side off. My back's kind of hurt right now. I was deadlifting the other day and I yeeted my back a little too much. Decisions, what should we do? What should we do? What should we do? So after 10 minutes of discussing with the cameraman here, we decided to take the other side off. Oh man, more work. I'm just kidding. I love doing this, guys. It's really fun. So I gotta, oh, by the way, anyone play Call of Duty? I've been playing Modern Warfare the past few days. If you guys want to play, slid in my DMs and I'll give you my tag, get some game on. I'm not that good though. My KD is like 0.8, man. Pretty garbage, but you know what? Hey, I'm there for moral support and assist. Okay. Everyone's seen the I think it was SEMA. It was Saibon's WRX. So they have a really nice full carbon out WRX. I ordered their hood too, so I'm gonna run their hood. What was that?
Ow, that hurt my ears.
No idea what that was, but everything was good. Oh, check this out, guys. This is what happens when you run really wide wheels. And I guess I was 3-wheeling and then it just ate the liner. So I kind of cut it a little bit to give it more room. So yeah, Stance Nation boys. Oh, I want to update you guys as well. You know how we asked the owner if we can get another WRX. He said if we hit 100K subs by next year, we can get another WRX. Which, you know, I think it's hard, but I think we can do it. So I'm gonna need all you guys' support. And I want to do something really fun. We're gonna do a giveaway soon, where we're gonna not just give a set of wheels, but I'm gonna give away some Aero stuff too. So stay tuned for that. Man, I wonder how the camera guy's feeling squatting behind the wheel. All right, guys, I'm gonna have a cameraman show you our front liner, how amazing and how crazy our splitter has been taking a beating. And the most important part, our liner took all the hits. Look at this. See, these are not the liners you buy online, you know, like the cheap rubber ones. These are actually infused with a little bit of aluminum inside, so it's like super durable. So when you scrape it, you're protecting your whole investment. So I'm gonna get this swapped out again. It's like only 20 bucks, so you know, this is a job. This is how you take off the center caps on these wheels because it's so. You know, back then in 2010, when I first started modding cars, 2011. Sorry, when I got my first car, it was my mom's car. She handed me her Toyota RAV4. I put some neochrome lug nuts and some halos on my car. It's all spanking everyone. My friend had a 350Z, give him the smoke, bro, every day at lunch. But yeah, these neochrome lug nuts are better for. Where are you going, bro? All right, guys, always torque your wheels. Dude, why are you so far? Always torque your wheels, guys. If you don't torque your wheels, you're gonna break some stuff, you know? And then you can put your old lug nuts, your stock lug nuts, or whatever. If you don't have any lug nuts, put it in the box. So you can always have it just in case you ever go back to stock. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do a quick little mini giveaway for this video. So I'm gonna give away a set of these forged lug nuts. All you gotta do is comment what you appreciate in life for, and I'll go first. I appreciate this awesome job I have, and I appreciate the cameraman making me look beautiful every day in this camera. But yeah, so comment below something positive, you know? We want to spread positivity and love. And then I'm gonna randomly pick a comment, you know? All right, guys. So that's a quick little install video on our forged lug nuts. If you're interested, the link for the product is in the bio below. So check that out. Let me know your questions, call us, email us. And to my left, it's Customer's Car. Just came by real quick. I don't know what they're picking up, but check out that dope ass Canard V1, V2 splitter, V4 side skirts, and he has a V1 rear diffuser. So sick, it's cool. I wonder where the customer is. Anyways, we're a lot of attention and stuff too for Lost Civics. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like the new C28s we're running right now. I'm very excited for this Sunday's event with all the BBs. We'll be installing the spacers next week, a little bit later, so stay tuned for that video. Everything is available online. Our Black Friday sale is going crazy. Make sure you pick something up. If not, you know, shop soon. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.